So what is the difference between all those Power BI file formats and what is about it? So we have three different formats which we can use for a Power BI file. For example, let's do it hands-on. Save as and then browse the device and then we have here for example okay, yes, let's put it somewhere docs before. Okay, so we have Power BIX, Power BI file, which seems to be the normal one, then template, which okay, and project. So all of these three are possible, and I can say that this is rarely used, very rarely in reality. And so it's basically either pbix or pbip. And pbix is a file format which contain the data directly and is kind of a binary. So if you would like save it as pbix and then you go to folder and you want to maybe find out anything of like open with text or something, but doesn't work. I mean, what is this binary shit? So I mean, this is kind of not usable for a modern integrated framework like Git. So you would use pbip because pbip has the Git integration, and you could also take a look at this one here. So we have here Power BIX is like Power BI desktop file. I mean, it contains the data, right? Includes data, yes, it contains the data, but it's a standard. It's not Git friendly though. It's not Git friendly, so yeah, I mean, we have to say it's red there, and the file size can be massive as well. So yeah, uh, in reality, the new way is to use the Power BI project because you can use it for the continuous integration and for anything else as well. It doesn't have any real it doesn't have any real downside. So if I save as the Power BI project file, then you will see it creates, which is maybe not so nice for some people because it creates three different files. So let's take a look. So it has created those three files and also git ignore, by the way, because I mean the git ignore is important for ignoring the cache RBF in the PBI folders because the cache RBF is basically the place where the data will be stored and yeah, for Git, this is not nothing which you want to do because if you have a Git repository and you store some kind of business data in there, it's like you lost, right? So rather just use the file as it is without the data. And yes, as I said, this is like rarely used. You don't really, it's only the schema, right? Okay, yeah, that's it, guys. This is Power BI formats, and yeah, I'm happy to help always. So thank you and goodbye.